Hello everyone, welcome to Property Experts, where we provide you information related to property in a sensible manner. Hence, before purchasing property worth lakhs and crores of rupees, please do watch our videos to never miss any sort of an opportunity and to never fall in any sort of a scam or a fraud. Well, in today's video, we are going to talk about police verification. Police verification is compulsory in Mumbai. Every property owner, whenever he gives his property on rent, he needs to do police verification. There is a form which can be filled online, or you can be physically submitted to the police station. In that form, a landlord, property owner's details are there. The tenant's details are there. The information of the property owner includes his full name, his photograph, his residential address, where they stay physically. They have permanent address and all are added in the form in the police verification form. Tenant details includes their full name, their permanent address, where they have come from, where do they work, details with their phone numbers, their photographs. All these details go in the police verification form. Tenant 2 reference are required for the police verification form. If a real estate agent is involved in the deal transaction, then the real estate agent details are also added. Real estate agent's phone number, his office number or his residence address, all that information is a part of the police verification form. It is the responsibility of the property owner's real estate agent to do the police verification form. The police verification can be done in two ways. You can do it online. I will add the link in the comment section or the description box. And the other way is physically taking a form and submitting it in the police station to your local police station. If you submit it physically at the local police station, then you need to get an acknowledgement of the submission along with the date when you have submitted the police verification form. You have also to submit a copy of the leave and license agreement. Once again, I am saying police verification is very important for the landlord because property is yours. It is worth crores or lakhs of rupees. Who do you give it to? What does he do? Whether it is residential or commercial, that is not in your control. So all those should be submitted to the police. Now, no matter how many times you put your property on rent, every time you put it on rent, you should always do it. Even at the time of renewal of the rent agreement, you should again submit police verification. On 24th February, there was an article on Hindus Times which was very helpful. In that article, it was mentioned that in 2020, the police has registered 20 cases against landlords just because they have not submitted their police verification form. It is a very important thing for the landlords to do police verification. This verification is important especially for the landlord because there is a rupees 3000 fine and a month's jail time punishment. It is also possible for the landlord for not submitting the police verification. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have understood everything and you have liked the video. Please do watch all our videos so that you don't have any sort of a doubt regarding property. Thank you.